Hi, everybody. I want to discuss RMED with you and my thoughts on it going forward. Fintel is showing that it has 516% short interest, and I want to talk about whether indeed that is true or false. So let's get started. Please remember, nothing I say is financial advice, and always do your own DD. All right, guys, so RMED is currently at approximately $6.06. I have not checked it at end of day to see where it closed. However, you can see that it's starting to try to make that move up despite that slight pullback in the after hours, which, guys, they tend to do this a lot. I'm not quite sure, but my guess is tomorrow it's going to open somewhere around that same level at $6.06. It was down 4.97% today. But it did, I believe that it actually ended up coming up. I do think that I saw it was like 610 or 616 we closed at. So I think it was flat after hours, guys, that this just wasn't updated. But we are starting to make what looks like an inverse head and shoulders, which is a very bullish pattern. So I do expect tomorrow that we actually get a green day. Again, this market is nuts, so no promises made, but it is looking like it wants to make a move to the upside technically. Guys, one analyst has rated this with a strong buy and a high price target of $600, a low of $55, so an average of $327.50. I found this absolutely incredibly bullish, and I'm not quite sure what's going on here and why they have a low and a high, but hey, I'd be happy with that $55 price target too. I just wanted to point this out to you because, you know, in this bear market, we can all use a little bit of happiness. So I don't want anybody to, you know, think that it's going to turn into $600 overnight, because I don't see that happening at all, especially in the current market conditions. But guys, this stock is very heavily shorted, and I do believe it could have a very nice run. $55 in this market may also be hard to come by, guys, but, you know, who knows? I guess anything's possible if the right news were to come. But I do want to remind you that this is a reverse merger candidate. So this is a stock that I don't think anyone should really consider holding for a long-term period in their portfolio, because they could get completely smashed. We are currently showing a short and midterm move to the upside with a bullish signal. And guys, it gave off 4 bullish, 1 bearish, and 2 neutral signals since the beginning of the month, more or less, right? The bearish was actually given, guys, prior to the reverse split. So after the reverse split, we've actually had nothing but bullish signals. So I do believe we are going to see some upside moves very shortly. Now, here's where I'm getting this 500... Oh, I missed the numbers. It's actually 561.91, not 516 like I had on the cover. Apologize for that. But guys, it's showing 561.91% short interest. Now, I personally think that Fintel has not updated this to the current stock split, so reverse split, excuse me. So I would divide this number by 50, and you're going to get, you know, about 10.62%. And that seems a little bit more accurate, which is still enough to create a short squeeze, or a potential short squeeze, should things start to move to the upside and shorts try to cover. They are saying that it would take 1.27 days to cover, guys. So they can cover fairly quickly, and this could move up quite rapidly if indeed we do get that opportunity. There are only 15,000 shares available to short, and the cost to borrow is really crazy at 113.64%. And as you can see, the short volume ratio in the dark pool is anywhere between 45.62 and 59.90%. So that's the short volume ratio, and 51.39% was today. And this, guys, is not really having many FTDs at this point. I'm willing to bet that after this whole reverse split, we see these numbers go up, but there's nothing even due this week. So just wanted you to be aware of that. Guys, anyways, I am bullish short term on RMED. Again, I am not planning to hold this in my portfolio too long. And in fact, even overnight could be iffy. But given the current market conditions, so far it's been okay, but once I get the movement that I want to see, I am out. And I'm just telling you that all right away because this play is too risky. I don't have a very large position, just a small one. But guys, let's see what happens with this. I think that we could see a move to the upside very soon. Thank you so much for watching and have a great night. Please always do your own DD. If I did not mention that earlier, you need to know the risks involved in this play, as there are many. I do have other videos out where I do discuss some of them. Thank you again for watching.